Funded Next recently expanded from Forex into futures. And if you're a beginner who hasn't had a payout yet, or you're just low on capital, this firm could actually be a good entry point. It has a pretty fair challenge. You just have to follow the 40% consistency rule. The profit target is pretty straightforward. For the 25K account, you need to make $12.50 while risking $12.50, and it costs $60 with discount code. For the 50K is $2,500 while risking $2,500. On the 100K, it's not really worth it because you have only $3,000 to risk while you have to make unreasonable $6,000. But if you have capital, then you might go with Alpha Futures or my funded futures. So I bought my new 25K account with them. Let's move on to the trades recap. On Thursday, October 30, I took my first entry off of 1 minute strong displacement candle close. I was on the wrong side on that one because we were inside 1 hour bearish gap, the area where we can inverse. It was not a good trade in my opinion. After that, just FOMOing in longs at this point, because S&P was ultra bullish in my opinion, and I wanted to see a continuation to London highs. There was no entry and no displacement to the upside. Luckily, I reduced my potential losses on this trade and was not closed at full risk. At this point, I ended the trading session for the day with a loss of $300. Monday, November 3rd. I took that short with 4-hour low as an objective. My mistake was that I did not look at the S&P chart at the moment, which is why I entered before the proper retracement occurred. Risk management. Mistake, but slightly up on the day still. Instead of a good profit, the trade became almost break-even. Tuesday, November 4th. Took this continuation to London highs and untapped 1 hour gap. As well, no wick midnight open was my bias for the day. I accidentally closed full position instead of partial when S&P took out London high. I'm disappointed with my sloppiness. Good trade, but bad execution, 0.7 instead of 1.5 or, unfortunately. Wednesday, November 5th. No trade day for me. But I got some decent setups, but did not like it because we have no draw on liquidity there, only internal highs. Thursday, November 6th, I got this clean continuation, short setup to the previous day's morning low. Take profit was reached and trade was closed automatically after I hit the profit target to follow the 40% consistency rule. This is what the overall account balance statistics look like after the trading week.